it's Annie with your latest tech update. Prices are shooting up everywhere right now. Inflation is up, the price of petrol is up, and of course, energy prices are through the roof. Now, despite this, new research says spending on IT is increasing too, and globally should hit a massive £3.3 trillion this year. Businesses are happy to keep spending on IT to stay flexible, maintain good data security, and actually reduce costs in the long run. What are they spending the money on? Well, often it's putting more systems online, things like servers, data storage, and service delivery. There's also increased spending on software, infrastructure, and managed services from partners like us. Money's also going on devices. £633 million will be spent on hardware this year, thanks to upgrades and working remotely. If you're planning to invest in your IT in the next 6 months, this would be a great time to switch to a new IT partner. We can help you step back, take a big picture look at what you want to achieve before you start spending. That's your tech update. More next week.